Hey guys, this is Anya. Now I'm in our warehouse, and I like to show you guys about recently our stock for lithium ion cell and lithium ion phosphate cell. Okay, let's go. Now many goods is preparing well on the warehouse and ready to pack, ready to do the testing and the packing before the delivery. And also have some of cell is still on our package and didn't laser welding the stator. Okay, let me to show you guys what we have recently in our warehouse. Let's go. Uh, this one is the 280 ampere 3.24. Sorry, this one is 3.74 280 ampere. It is already laser welding the M6 stator on it. QR code, anti-explosion valve. This is totally new, and now this order is waiting for the spare parts. 280 ampere. Customer to buy this cell is for their electric truck, for their electric truck. And this one is the EVE brand. EVE brand 230 ampere 3.24 grade B. You can see they have a big Mark B with the M8 stator on it. M8 stator on it. Customer to buy this cell is for their ESS system, energy storage system. Okay, this one is the cylindrical cell. This one is cylindrical 21700. Capacity is 5000 mAh, 5 ampere hour, 3.74. To show you details. It is totally new, brand new, grade A cell. Now this cell is waiting for packing because before the delivery, we need to put the label CE and made in China, or it will be hard to import for the Europe market, Europe custom. Oh, this one is the Hyson 280 ampere grade B, B grade. In my previous video, I showed to customer that how to judge the grade A and grade B, and this one is grade B. You can see it covered by another QR code. It's touched roughly. When we sell to our customer, we always tell them what this is grade A or grade B. This one is also the grade B. You can see the QR code very roughly. And also let me to show you the grade A Hyson, grade A. You can see when you touch it, it is smoothly, and it is totally very flat. No any boggling between each of the cell. This is A grade, and those also the A grade. A grade. It is prepared, waiting for the packing. This one is the also EVE 230 ampere hour. This one is the A grade. I just show you guys the B grade. We already laser welding the stator on it. They have a big marked big B here, but for A grade, there's no any B on here. It is the original QR code here. This is the grade A, and this one is the 314 ampere hour grade A. It is also laser welding the stator on it. Now it is waiting for packing. And this one is 100 cattle. This one is 100 amp hour EVE. This one is 100 amp hour cattle. How to judge them? You can from two place. One is the QR code difference. Another is the anti-explosion valve design. This is round. It's oval. Yeah, this is the EV 100 amp hour, and this one is the cattle 100 amp hour. Those all brand new grade A cell. Those cell is waiting for packing, and that is the battery case. Customer sent to our warehouse, and they asked us to put their cell inside the books to save the shipping cost. We won't charge them the cost, but we will do our best to help our customer for their delivery. In previous, I introduced is prepared well cell and waiting for packing, and also we have large stock for the EVE. This one is LF280K EV 280 amp hour. This is capacity range. Totally brand new grade A from EV factory directory. And this one is the 314 amp hour EV MB31. It's still didn't open the box. Just got from the EV factory. It is the same. EV MB31. Brand new grade A cell. Those cell is stock, still didn't laser welding. Now those cell is waiting for you guys to place orders. Those is the 3.25, and also we have stock for this is 180 amp hour. Capacity range is 184 amp hour to 185. We have larger stock. Oh, this one is the 3.25 86 amp hour lithium and phosphate cell. Those is the battery module for EV cars. This one is Cattle 8 series 1 parallel 51 amp hour. Those all the battery module stock. They have 180 amp hour, which I introduced in previous. Totally also test well and waiting for you guys to place order. Oh, this one is very small and tiny. It is the 6.2 amp hour high rate discharge cell. High rate is very tiny and with QR code. 70 series for high discharge. So if you guys have interest, you can contact with us freely. And now waiting for the bus bar. 125 amp hour. make the semi pack. 204 ampere hour lithium iron phosphate cell. This is the 155 ampere hour promotion type. This stock, very this stock, but a very good sale. Hope you guys catch the time. Okay, also we still have some time didn't show you. So if you guys have interest in lithium ion cell, lithium ion phosphate cell, or battery module, you can contact with us freely. We will provide you guys the factory price with the high quality. And see you next video. Bye bye.